Round 5 of the BMD Premiership saw Tweed take on Wynnum Manly at Tugun. Dragons NRLW star Shaylee Bent crossed for Wynnum Manly in the 16th minute. Two minutes later, and Tweed were in through Taryn Aiken. Aiken had her second try of the game when she crossed for Tweed just before half-time. At the break, Tweed were in front of Wynnum, 10 points to 4. Valila Kia scored for Wynnum in the 38th minute. Then in the 48th minute, speedster and NRLW star Jamie Chapman crossed for Tweed. This match was going right down to the wire. Essay Banu crossed for Wynnum in the 65th minute. Then just before full time, Banu with the match winner for Wynnum Manly. A thrilling contest in the BMD Premiership. Victory for Wynnum Manly over Tweed, 20 points to 16. Peter Basoldis, Queensland Rugby League.